In a concerning turn of events, renewed fighting in Gaza has extended into a second day after attempts to extend a week-old truce with Hamas collapsed. Mediators report that Israeli bombardments are complicating efforts to restore a ceasefire. Eastern areas of Khan Younis in southern Gaza witnessed intense bombardment as the truce deadline lapsed, with columns of smoke rising into the sky. The situation remains tense, with developments unfolding rapidly. As the conflict escalated, residents in Gaza found themselves on the move, carting their belongings in search of shelter further west. Israel responded with ground, air, and naval forces targeting over 200 terror targets in Gaza. Tragically, health officials in the coastal strip reported that Israeli strikes resulted in 184 casualties, with at least 589 others wounded and more than 20 houses hit. Early on Saturday, December 2nd, rocket sirens blared in Israeli communities outside Gaza, although no serious damage or casualties were reported. Footage captured from southern Israel depicted the haunting scenes of explosion and smoke billowing into the sky over Gaza. As the truce unraveled, both sides pointed fingers at each other, laying blame for its collapse. During the ceasefire, Hamas militants had released hostages in exchange for Palestinians held in Israeli jails. The United Nations, however, issued a stark warning, stating that the intensified fighting would exacerbate an already extreme humanitarian emergency. Jens Laerke, spokesperson for the UN Humanitarian Office in Geneva, somberly declared, "Hell on earth has returned to Gaza." Despite the pause starting on November 24 and being extended twice, efforts to sustain it faltered. Israel had conditioned the continuation on the daily release of 10 hostages by Hamas. After 7 days and the release of women, children, and foreign hostages, mediators struggled to find a formula for further releases, leading it to breakdown of the truce. As tensions escalated, Israel accused Hamas of refusing to release all the women it held, while a Palestinian official cited the breakdown over female Israeli soldiers. The conflict intensified after Israel vowed to annihilate Hamas, attributing a deadly October 7 rampage to the militant group, claiming 1,200 lives and taking 240 hostages. Subsequent Israeli assaults inflicted widespread devastation on Gaza, which has been under Hamas rule since 2007. Palestinian health authorities, deemed reliable by the United Nations, reported over 15,000 Gazans killed, with thousands still missing. The situation remains dire and continues to unfold rapidly.